Welcome to Left Seat Adventures. Today we're living up to the adventure portion of our name, and I'm sharing one of my all-time favorite ones with you. I've been serving the youth and families of Alaska since 2009. Today we are rewinding all the way back to 2013, when I finally got the opportunity to combine my passion for aviation with my heart for the people of Western Alaska by volunteering with the Kako Retreat Center. Fly along with me in and out of Kako's old mining strip, a truly unique Alaskan experience. All filmed on my first-gen iPad mini in glorious 720p. This runway isn't numbered like others, it's simply either uphill or downhill. When the wind and weather cooperate, the normal departure is downhill as we're seeing here. Putting that power in. Don't want to ding the prop with a rock. Rotate, accelerate, and ground effect. And climb out like a homesick angel. Here we are in our normal uphill approach. The iPad camera really doesn't do it justice with the landscape looks like with the trees around and sloping up runway and the little banana strip. All kinds of wind and burbles coming off this ridge off here to the left. Hold it off, bleed off every bit of airspeed. And we're home. And now my favorite landing here, most challenging and the most fun, is the downhill landing. When the wind, or say the sun, just isn't on our side, this is the way we gotta go to land home. So we're just following this top of the ridge line, and I have a visual checkpoint picked out here on this ridge coming up between those 2 points. I want to be in between there, completely configured for my landing. If I'm not right here, the entire approach is a bust. So then it's time to go around and try again. Power off and we follow the valley down. Once again, the iPad camera just doesn't do justice what this looks like. Do not attempt this without proper training. Some people may have noticed the drilling rig there, so that's why I'm running this approach a little bit high, and then I'll drop out once we get to the end. Note the windsock. Hold it off. There we are. Can't really hear it, but the passenger just said nice landing. And so my response, thank you. Until next time, let's live the adventure that life can be from the left seat. Thanks for watching.